Hi, my name is Sejal Nagjee. I'm the founder and creative director of Milestone Dubai. Here's a garden in Mirdif we just created. You can see the transformation. The client wanted this front yard to transform, park his cars comfortably, have a pergola to relax beside the pool. We converted this design brief into a presentation, layout, and 3Ds. The lighting highlights the features beautifully. The pergola is 8 by 4 meters with a lantern wall. A tabletop barbecue is set on the counter. This fence conceals all the service areas. The water feature is connected to the pool and makes a serene sound. We installed bonsai olive trees in large pots. Murad Jasmine creates sweet fragrance. The Ficus Amstell trees will grow tall to create privacy. All plants are perennial. These fire pots add glamour at the entrance to create a warm, welcoming feeling.